Good morning, students. In the last classes, we have seen some questions of chapter matrices, and we have solved some questions of your board examination questions. Now, student, today we will see some questions of chapter determinant, which are also examination point of view. So, let's see. Our first question is find the adjoint of matrix A. Find the adjoint of matrix A and show that A adjoint of A is equal to determinant. So we have to given a matrix of 3 cross 3 order, which is -1, -2, -2 and 2, 1, -2. And third is 2, -2, 1 and 1. Okay, so we have to show that this is A adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A and I3. Okay, student. So we have to prove that this is A adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into identity of 3 cross 3 order. So student, first we will find out our determinant of A. So for find out determinant of A, we can write this in the form of determinant -1, -2, -2. Okay, so 2, 1, -2, 2, -2, 1. Now when we will expand this, this will be height and this first row and first column will be height. We write 1 plus minus plus and again minus is 4 and minus is there -2. So this will be again height. So 2 plus 4 will be there and -2 is here. So -4 and -2. Now we will solve it and see what is our result. Okay. So let this is -1 into -3 and this is +2 and 6. This is -2 into -6. So it will be 3 and 6 to the 12 plus 12. So 24 and 3 27. This is not equal to 0. Okay, so determinant of A is find out, which is 27. Now we will find our adjoint of A. For adjoint of A, we will find the cofactors. So cofactors A11 is what? This is cancelled, this is cancelled. So 1 minus. So don't write this. So this is 1 minus 4, which is -3. And A12 is what? This is with negative sign. This will cancel, the remaining 2. And minus plus 4, which is -6. Okay, now we will find A13. So it will be with positive sign. So there will be -4, -2, which is -6. Now A21 is with negative sign again. So it will be cancelled, So -2 and minus plus and -4. So -6 and minus plus 6. So A22 is, this is cancelled, -1 plus 4, which is 3, and A23 is this is cancelled. So 2 plus 4, which is 6. So our 821 is 6 and 822 is 3 and 823 is 823. This is cancelled. This will be with negative sign. So here will be minus 6 and A13 is minus 6. Okay. Now our A31 will be what? This is cancelled. So 4 plus 2, which is 6. A32 is, this is cancelled. 2, this cancelled 2, minus plus 4, which is minus 6. A33 is cancelled. This is cancelled. So here is minus 1 and plus 4, which is 3. So our A31 is 6, A32 is minus 6, A33 is 3. Now adjoint of A is minus 3, minus 6, 3, minus 6, minus 6, 3, and transpose of this. Okay. So our adjoint of A will be what? Minus 3, minus 6, 3, minus 6, minus 6, 3. So adjoint of A, which is equal to 3 minus 3, 6, minus 6, 3, minus 6, minus 6, 3. Now student, we have to solve determinant of A, which we have find out, which is equal 27, and we have to, and our adjoint of A is this. Now we have to find out the multiplication of A and adjoint of A. So for this, we are going to erase this term. Okay. So our multiplication of matrix A so left hand side is A into adjoint of A. So A is minus 1, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 1, and adjoint of A minus 3 is 6, minus 6, 3, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, 3. Okay. So now we will multiply these two. So we will multiply first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Okay. So let's start. So minus 1 into minus 3, 3 plus minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12, minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12 again. Now minus 1 into minus 6, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12. Next, minus 6 plus 12 minus 6. Next, minus 6 and minus 6 plus 12. Next, 12 plus 3 plus 2 and 3 and minus plus 12, and again this is 12 minus 6 minus 6. Now third is minus 6 plus 12 minus 6, 12 -6 -6 and 12 -1 is +12 and +3. Okay. So student, our multiplication is what? Now add this, we get what? 12 and 12, 24 and 3, 27. This is 0, this term is 0, this term is 0, and 22, 12 and 12 and 3, 27 again. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 27 again. So student, we are taking outside 27 from here, and our inside bracket is what? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so from here what we are getting? Our 27, and this is what? Identity matrix of order 3. Okay, so this is our right hand side, and our determinant of A, which is what? 27. So at the place of 27 we can write determinant of A, and this is our right hand side, which we have to find out. So student, in this question, first what we have done, we have find out our determinant of A. After expanding the determinant A, so we get what? 27, and after that we have find out our adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is -3, 6, 6, -6, 3, -6, -6, -6, 3. After finding each cofactor one by one, we have find out our adjoint of A. Now we have taken left hand side. Left hand side is what? A multiplied by adjoint of A. So our A into adjoint of A will be what? We are doing the multiplication of two matrices. Okay. So after multiplication we are getting that this is 27, 0, 0, 0, 27, 0, 0, 0, 27. Taking 27 outside, we are getting 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, which is our, and 27 is our determinant of A. So at the place of 27 we can write determinant of A, and this is our identity matrix of order 3. So at the place of this we can write our identity. Okay, so I hope you understand, students. Now we will take another question and solve it. Let's see. Next question is, a shopkeeper has 3 varieties of pen A, B and C. Menu purchased first 1 pen for each variety for a total of 21 rupees, and Zigan purchased 4 pens of A variety and 3 pens of B variety and 2 pens of C variety for 60 rupees, while Sika purchased 6 pens of A variety, 2 pens of B variety and 3 pens of C variety, which cost 70 rupees. Using matrix method, find cost of each variety of pen. So what we will do, we will let the cost of each variety of pens A, B, C, or X, Y and Z. So let the cost of pens of variety A is X rupees and cost of variety B is Y rupees, cost of pen of variety C is Z rupees. Okay. Okay. So our question says that a shopkeeper has 3 variety pens A, B, C. Menu purchase 1 pens of each variety of cost 21. So according to question, our first equation is X plus Y plus Z is 21. because each variety one pen is, so x plus y plus z is 21. And G1 purchased 4 pens of variety A, 3 of variety B, and 2, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so 4x plus 3y plus 2z is total cost of G1 is 60 rupees. And third, Shikha purchased 6 pens of variety A and 2 pens of variety B and 3 pens of variety C. Okay, so 6x plus 2y and 3z is equal to 70 rupees. Okay, so these are 3 questions, and from using matrix method we have to find out the cost of each variety of pen. Okay, so first what we will do, we will write these equations can be written as Ax is equal to P, which is can be written x is equal to A inverse B. Okay, so first we will write this equation in this form, where A is matrix 1 1 1 4 3 2 6 2 3, and our x is x y z variables, and B is the right hand side of the equation. Okay, so A, x and B can be written as in this form. Now from here we have to find out our A inverse. Our target is to find out A inverse. When we will find out A inverse, we will put the value of A inverse in this equation, and from where we will equate our x, y, z. Okay. So for find out A inverse, we will first check the determinant of A, which is what? So 1, this is 9 minus 4 minus 1, 12 minus 12, and 1, 8 minus 18. So determinant of A is 4, 5, minus 0, and minus 10. So this is minus 5, and this is not equal to 0. So we can say that A is non-singular matrix and our A inverse exists. Our A inverse exists. So we can write our determinant of A is minus 5 here. Okay. Now we will find out our what? Adjoint of A. So let's find our adjoint of A, which is our A11. So you will find the cofactor of A11 is A11, and this is what? This is cancelled, first row and first column is cancelled, so we get 9 minus 4, which is 5. A12 is with negative sign, or 12 minus 12, and A13 is what? This is 8 minus 18, which is, this is 0, and this is minus 10. So A21 is cancelled, and this is minus sign 3 minus 2 minus 1. A22 is this cancelled 3 minus 6, which is minus 3. And A23 is this cancelled 2 minus 6 minus 4. And A31 is cancelled, So this cancel. So 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. 8, 3, 2 is cancelled. 2 minus 4. This is with negative sign. 3, 2. 2 minus 4, which is minus 2. Minus and minus plus 2. And 8, 3 is what? 6 cancelled. 3 minus 4, which is minus 1. 8, 2, 3, which is with negative sign. This cancelled. So minus 6. So it will be positive. Okay. Now our A11 is 5. A12 is 0. A13 is minus 10. A21 is minus 1. A22 is minus 3. A23 is 4. A31 is minus 1. A32 is 2. 33 is minus 1. Now we will write our adjoint of A. So our adjoint of A is what? 5, 0, minus 10, minus 1, minus 3, 4, minus 1, 2, and minus 1. Okay. Now the transpose of this, we will write what? 5, 0, minus 10, minus 1, minus 3, 4, minus 1, 2, minus 1. So adjoint of A is 5, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 3, 2, minus 1, minus 3, 4, minus 1, 2, minus 1. So adjoint of A is this. Now student, after getting our adjoint, we will write what? Our A inverse. So A inverse is what? A inverse is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So determinant of A is minus 5. Now we will multiply this inside and we get our A inverse. Okay. So now our A inverse is, so A inverse is, we can write our A inverse, this is 1 by minus 5. Now we have find out our A inverse. Now we will put the value in this equation x, A inverse and B, and comparing both sides, and we will get our x, y, z easily from here. Okay student, so let's see our this term is x. So x is what? X, y, z, and A inverse, which we have find out, minus 5, and 5 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 3, 2, minus 10, 4 minus 1, and multiplied by B, and B is 21, 60 and 70. Okay. So student, now we will multiply this, and after multiplication we will compare. That will be our answer. Now multiply this. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, and minus 60 minus 70. Next, 0 minus 180 plus 140 minus 210 plus 240 minus 70. Okay, so 1 by minus 5. So this will be what? 105 minus 130. So after subtracting we get what? 130 minus 105 minus 25, and this is minus 40, and this is minus 280 and minus 40 again. Now when we will multiply inside this, what we are getting, student? 5. Multiply inside this, we are getting 5 5s are 5 8 yeah, and 5 8 yeah. So our x, y and z is 5 8 8. So comparing both sides, our x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8 and z is equal to 8. Okay, so the cost of each pen of variety A is 5 rupees and cost of each pen of variety B is 8 rupees and cost of each pen of variety C is 8 rupees. Okay students, so in this way we can find out our solution of the word problem based on this topic. Okay, so first what we have taken, the cost of each pen of variety A is X and variety B is Y, variety C is Z. After that we have applied the given condition of question in which the total cost of variety of pen is of each pen is 21, so we have written X plus Y plus Z is 21, and the of variety A is 4 pens, variety B is 3 pens, variety C is 2 pens, so the cost of this is 60. And again the third condition is cost of 6 pen of variety A, 2 pen of variety B and 3 pen of variety C, and its total cost is 70 rupees. So we had made these 3 equations from here. Now we have to solve these equations by using matrix method. So when we will apply the matrix method, we can write our Ax is equal to B. Okay, so Ax is equal to B. So this can be written as also X is equal to A inverse B. Okay student, so our target is to find out our A inverse. If we are able to find out A inverse, we will put the value of A inverse here and compare and find out our result. Okay. So student, first of all we have find out our determinant of A. So determinant so from here we will write our A, which will be 1 1 1 4 3 2 6 2 3. X will be X Y Z. Okay, and B will be 21 60 and 70. This will be A, X and B from the given equation. Now we will find out our A inverse determinant of A. When we will expand the matrix A, when we will find out our determinant of A is what? Minus 5. So from the basis of determinant of A is minus 5, we can say that our A inverse exists from here. So A inverse exists. Now we will find out adjoint of A. For find out adjoint of A, we will find out the cofactors from here. So we have find out cofactors, which is 5 0 minus 10 minus 1 3 minus 4. Minus 3 4 minus 1 2 minus 1. Now when we will change the cofactor and change the row into column of the cofactor, we will get our adjoint of A. So when we are changing, we are get 5 0 minus 10, so 3 minus 4 minus 1 2 minus 1. So in this way we can find out our adjoint of A. Now we know the formula of A inverse, which is what? Adjoint of A by determinant of A. So adjoint of A is determinant of A is minus 5. So we have overall find out our A inverse. After getting A inverse, we will use this equation. We will use the value of X. We will use the value of A inverse. We will put the value of B here and get this equation. Okay. Now in this equation, we will multiply this with these two. So it will be 105 minus 60 minus 70, 0 minus 180 and 140, and now 210, and this is 240 and minus 70, and after adding this we will multiply this minus 5 inside. What we are getting? Our 588, which is x, y, z. So we are getting from here x is 5, or y is 8, or z is 8. Means variety of pen A is, the cost of variety of pen A is 5 rupees from here. The cost of variety of pen B is 8 rupees, and last is 8 rupees. So in this way we can find out our cost of each variety of pen, student. I hope you understand. Now we will see next question in the next class. Thank you so much.